guys, welcome. In today's video I will be telling you how to get your admission in Canada. So if you dream of getting a nursing admission in Canada, this video is for you, because I will not just be telling you the universities that offer nursing. I will show you how to navigate yourself there. I've seen a lot of people change courses, change career the moment they land in Canada, and if you are such a person wondering how can you become a nurse in Canada, stay with me to the end, because this video is for you. In case you are wondering, my name is Inamse Urunga, of course, Inamse Canada, because in this channel we tell you everything about Canada, relocating to Canada, landing in Canada, getting your job in Canada, everything Canada. So tap on the like button, tap on the subscribe button. Remember to tap on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be updated with our latest video. We are here every day bringing the best for you. So let's dive right in. The first is accelerated nursing. I have seen a lot of Nigerians, even from different courses, when they leave Nigeria and land in Canada, because they know that health is one of the easiest way you can get a job. You don't need to cry, you don't need to shout, you don't even need to scream. There are health jobs. So the first thing that comes in that, okay, let me do a career switch. In Nigeria, if you study, let's imagine biology or even an art course, you can do accelerated nursing. How many years? Guess how many? Just 2 years. 2 years is enough, and that is the year. But there are requirements. One, you must have BSc. Wherever your country is, you must have studied a bachelor's degree. So if you have studied a bachelor's degree and certain courses like chemistry, biology, yes, I'm a biologist. I studied biological science. I mean me talking, yes. Well, if you have the science courses, mathematics, chemistry, biology, accelerated nursing might just be for you. Why don't you consider it? So apart from accelerated nursing, I have not mentioned the universities that offer these courses. We have sorry, let me just read them out. We have NC Master University, we have the Western University, and then we have University of Calgary. NC Master University, Western University, and University of Calgary. So these are the top universities that offer accelerated nursing. ABSN, Accelerated Bachelor of Science Nursing. So you must have a degree before you apply for this. How much is the tuition? The fee goes from 20,000 Canadian dollars to 30,000 Canadian dollars. Is it fair? Do you think it's costly? Let's know in the comment section. So that's the price for this type of degree. Would you like to consider it? Up to you. So the next one is practical nursing. Here's the interesting thing about this one. Practical nursing, you don't even need to have a degree so as to go through the hassle of your transcript or your IELTS or all that. All you need, let's imagine as a permanent resident, you need high school results. In Nigeria we call it WAEC result, right? You need a WAEC result. When you will get your WAEC result, you need WAEC, of course, yeah. So WAEC, sorry, I was distracted. My husband very out of the door. So WAEC results now. You have your biology to pass it with credit, you have your maths, you have your chemistry, you have your all those science courses. Yes, that is all that is needed. Isn't that good news? And guess what? If you have these courses, the next thing that you need to have is just to get your white scratch card. Ah, that is so easy now. All these people renting YN can you just ask them, can you get white scratch card? Why is it needed? You need a pin to send it to them so they can check the exam themselves and be sure that, oh, this is your result, you are not lying to them. So that is just what is needed. And boom, you got the admission. And for permanent resident, it's even cheaper. It's cheaper because there are some subsidized school fees rates. So if other people are paying like this is diploma nursing, okay? It's diploma. Yeah, so if other people are paying like 10,000 to 20,000 Canadian dollars to 10,000 Canadian dollars, yes, that's the range, and the school fees, you might be subsidized as a permanent resident. That's another amazing good news. So that is just that about that. Which universities offer this? Universities that offer this is Bow Valley University. Have you checked Bow Valley College? Bow Valley College in Calgary. That's one. The second one is, apart from Bow Valley College, then we have Durham College. We have Durham College, and then we have West Toga. So check Durham College, check Bow Valley College, and you might be admitted. Recently, I watched this channel, this Amara Kede. I love watching this movie, right? She talks about how she gets her nursing admission as a permanent resident. Yeah, so you might be the luckiest next person. Interesting. So the next one is post-degree Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Post-degree. After you have your degree, you've had your degree in nursing, you might consider having another degree. Post-degree, yes, BSc in nursing, and it's interesting. This one, the university I know that offer this is University of Saskatchewan. You can check it out. If you already have nursing and you want to have post-degree, what do you want to do it right? The higher the school, the more the money, and you know that nursing in Canada is not big for money, there's job, there's security. So thanks for watching. I hope you have gotten so much value in this very video. Yes, I know you did. If you have, tap on the subscribe button. Subscribe. Should I sing this song? I should shout or dance it. I beg people to subscribe. Like this video. Comment. I don't want to cry.